Welcome to the future of aerospace. Today, we're diving into the world of additive manufacturing, or 3D printing, and how it's transforming the way we design and build aircraft and spacecraft. From lighter parts to faster production, 3D printing is soaring to new heights. Let's explore its journey, impact, and what lies ahead. 3D printing kicked off in the 1980s with Charles Hull's invention of stereolithography. By the 1990s, aerospace companies saw its potential for rapid prototyping. In the 2000s, NASA sent a 3D printer to the International Space Station, while Boeing and Airbus began using printed parts in planes like the 787 Dreamliner. The game changer? General Electric's 3D printed fuel nozzle for the LEAP engine, which turned 18 parts into one, proving 3D printing's power for production. Who's leading the charge? NASA, MIT, and giants like GE Aviation, Boeing, and Airbus are pushing boundaries alongside startups like Relativity Space. They rely on advanced materials like titanium alloys for engine parts, lightweight polymers like PEEK for brackets, and even ceramics for high-heat components. These materials are printed using techniques like laser powder bed fusion, creating parts that are strong, light, and certified for flight. But it's not easy. Every material must meet strict safety standards set by the FAA and EASA. So, why is 3D printing a game changer? First, it creates lighter parts with complex designs like lattice structures which boost fuel efficiency and cut emissions. It also allows for designs impossible with traditional methods. Need a spare part? Print it on demand, slashing inventory costs. Plus, it saves time and money by consolidating components and reducing assembly. And here's a bonus. 3D printing minimizes material waste, making aerospace more sustainable. What's next for 3D printing in aerospace? The future is exciting. Multi-material printers could combine metals and polymers in one part. Artificial intelligence is optimizing designs and processes. NASA and SpaceX are even exploring 3D printing in space to build lunar bases. New materials like graphene composites promise stronger, lighter parts. And as certification processes improve, we'll see more 3D printed components in everyday aircraft. From prototyping to production, 3D printing is reshaping aerospace, making planes lighter, greener, and more efficient. It's not just about building better aircraft, it's about reaching for the stars. What do you think the next breakthrough will be? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech deep dives.